Hi everyone. This week I got a shorty for you. Just been stuck at home and feeling kind of gross and decided to get a little bit creative with the sunlight that I was getting because I'm blessed with these gorgeous windows at my place. Using this super funky mirror that I got from Value Village. It was $50 and it makes these really cool fractal sort of, geometric kind of shapes because of the way it's made. And I often leave it around the house because it just leaves these really, really cool patterns everywhere. Like right here next to my home gym. Here's me using it in my serotonin summoning ritual, which is not very effective. It reminded me of something I saw on my mental health walk. Anyway, it makes these really pretty colors, and I was like, what can I do with this that would be cool? And I was like, why don't I just have some self-portraiture going on? So I wanted to make, something that's simple, just me. And I started with shooting these little clips in S-Log2, and I went through a color correction pass followed by a color grade, which is a simple but modified teal and orange look. I really love it. It's minimal. I did these like hand poses that I thought were really kind of artsy, if I may. I was using my ring light here for finding focus because I was using manual lenses throughout this whole process, and I made these kind of really cool arrangements that I'm really obsessed with as a form, because every frame tells this kind of unique story. The theme here was obviously isolation, loneliness. The arrangements were super cool. I first saw it on SambaFilms account. You should really check him out. He's really cool. And I decided to do it again during a snowstorm because I love shooting when there is a snowstorm. It's usually very peaceful, very empty. Now we go to the edit suite where I turn this caffeine into a video. It took me about 3 days to do this, even though I'm wearing the same outfit. But first I started with the selects. I went through all of the footage and I chose the pictures that I wanted and started applying the grade. I can do a video about the edits if you guys want, but this part is really subjective. Did some spot removal because your girl hasn't seen the sun in so long. And here are the final products. I added Vogue, but I was like, wait, this is a fashion magazine and I'm not wearing any clothes, so I'm just gonna put back the GQ logo. I'm personally obsessed with these and I really like them. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.